Thank you everyone for joining the session. This is day 2 acceptance workshop, and I believe everybody has completed the day 1 activities as we discussed yesterday. So, day 1 is dedicated for the acceptance of the past. Whatever happened in the past, we are going to accept it with full heartedly and with the giving the gratitude to Supreme God for giving us the power to accept everything, because it is very important. We should have power to accept the past. Acceptance is not like an easy thing, or like you can accept by default. Definitely it is a that virtue which needs power, and that power only comes when the grace of supreme is there. First of all, it is important to know what is the acceptance, what we have to accept actually. For accepting that particular thing, we should forgive that event. We have to forgive that person, that event in the past. At the same time, we should accept it as a past. And I already told you yesterday, like the day 1 is the easiest day, because which is already past, which is already gone from the our life, that is easy to accept. Because if you agree or if you not agree, you have accepted the past. If you will say, oh, I don't like that, that is perfectly fine. If you are not liking any events of your past, but however you have accepted. If you are not accepting happily, universe has the power to make you accept that. So this is really a true situation. Like acceptance of the past is the easiest thing. Whatever we are today, we what growth we got emotionally, physically, mentally, and spiritually, that is the result of all the past event happened in our life, either positive or negative, happy or sad. Whatever happened in our past life, we are made of that today. So acceptance, if you are saying that I am accepting everything in my past, I am forgiving everything in my past, I am letting go everything from my past, I am free now, I am accepting everything with the power of universe. So that will make you more happy. It will give you the power to do the ownership and connecting with the universe. So this is like, by thoughts you have to accept, by words you have to accept, and by action you have to accept. So kindly share your attendance in the group, so that admin should keep you in the group. Otherwise, if 2 days you will not share the attendance in the group of completing the activity, admin can remove you uh, tomorrow night after completing the day 2. So now what we have to do on the day 2? Day 2 is the again a very important acceptance will come. That is the acceptance of ourself. We have to accept our body, our soul, our deeds, what we are doing, our personality. Sometimes what happens, we are not liking our physical body, we are not liking the physical shape. Some people don't like their hair, some people don't like their eyes. Okay, that the other person has beautiful eyes, I don't have that like of the eyes. Or I am very thin, the other person is very beautiful or average, but I am not that much. Or I am very heavy, I am not getting the perfect weight for my body. So many comparisons in our life we have done for our physical structure with the other people. At the same time, we are not accepting our education. Sometime I am not that much good, which I should be. Like the other person is more educated and I am less educated, I did not done that certification and all that. So we are feeling uncomfortable with ourselves. So that makes us not happy in our this lifetime. Some people are not liking the food they are eating. All the time they are doing all the kind of nakra when the food is coming, and this is not for the kids. It is the habit goes in a like long time in the human personality. Even they are in the old age, they don't like to eat whatever we are going to give them or offer them to eat. So sometimes this behavior goes for the lifetime thing. So we are not liking our food, we are not liking the uh, water, we are not liking our assets sometimes which are related to us. Sometimes we are not liking our kids. Okay, he is not that much sharp that the other person's kid is. Sometimes we don't like our parents. So these all are the energy connections. This is you and your energy connections. Wherever you are sending those unsatisfaction, unhappiness, that is giving you are not accepting, that message is coming back like you are not happy with all these things which you got. That means you are not considering all these things as a blessing of your life. You are thinking you can modify, and you are not liking that whatever the god has given you. But we are doing the workshop of acceptance, so it is very much required for the day 2. We have to accept ourselves as we are. If you want to make the changes in your life anytime, first you have to accept you. If you will not accept you, you will not make yourself grounded. You cannot cover the further decision. For example, if I am knowing, yes, this is my weight, and I am accepting my weight, this, and now I want to reduce it for this much of the weight, 5 kg or 3 kg I want to reduce, or I want to gain the 5 kg weight, or because I am this much thin and I am accepting myself, and now I have to gain some more weight, and what I can do to gain that. So what I can do to gain that will only come when we are accepting. So if always we are in the denial mode, I am not liking this, I am not liking that, then you will not find the solution. You will always in the loop of talking about the problem and problem and problem. End of the day, you need solution. You are looking for the solution, but you are not uh, holding the correct thread. What we can say that like you want the solution, but you are not putting the effort in the right direction. So leave the problem, accept yourself as you are, physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Some people don't like their spiritual growth also. I am not that much good, I should be like. So it is perfectly fine. Human is going to be the revolution of the gradual improvements. So you will be better from yesterday to today, and you will be more better in tomorrow's day. So every day we are improving as a human revolution. So accept yourself tomorrow, accept your asset, accept your relationship, accept your body, accept your growth, and then be happy all the day. So what we have to do, we have to say thank you. I am accepting my body as I am. I am accepting myself as I am. Supreme God, thank you for giving me the power to accept me as I am. At the same time, we have to say, at the same time, we have to say that, Supreme God, I am accepting myself as I am. I am accepting my assets. I am accepting my relationships as they are. I am accepting my prosperity as it is. I am accepting my neighborhood as they are. I am accepting my work as it is given to me. I am accepting my education. I am accepting my spiritual growth. I am accepting my emotional personality as I am. I am really good person, and I am accepting myself whole as a whole as I am. Okay, so this is the tomorrow's day activity. So, and we will again connect it tomorrow night 9 p.m. for day 3 activities. Please keep sharing your attendance in the group to keep the momentum. Thank you everyone for joining the session.